Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a Zoya haul and swatches. So here are my lovely polishes. I got an email from Zoya and it was offering some, I don't know, it was 10 polishes for $25. It was a November sale. And you guys, I just couldn't resist. So here we go. We've got, I missed the first one. This one's cinnamon. And then we have Harley. And next up is Haven. Oh. And then I got Marlowe. I just was so excited. And Matilda. That's my pink or her. And oh my goodness, Mitora. Oh yes. And Moki. Getting down to the end of them. Oh no. And finally we've got Polaris. Oh yeah. Alright, so I am swatching these out on a swatch wheel today. I'm going to fix my camera here in just a second and get it to act right. Alright. So there we go. Oh yeah, so this one could totally be used as a topper. Up to you, really. But I am doing 3 coats, and that is going to be all I do for this one. But I'll do 3 coats and then the top coat. And there is Bonnie. Bonnie was the first one. Very pretty. Love it. Alright, next up we have the cinnamon. And I'm not going to go through the names of all of them again. Let's just get real. There'll be a name at the end with the swatch photo. Isn't that pretty? Love the shimmer in that. That, and I don't own just like a ton of brown polishes. So I added another one to that color category this time. And there is cinnamon. So pretty. Alright. And this one just was really speaking to me. Because you guys know I like to do a lot of nail art. And colors like this really, really look good with some nail art. And they look good on their own too. But, you know, us junkies, we've got, you know, rhymes and reasons and all that jazz. There is Harley. See that shimmer? Oh, so pretty. Alright, now for this purpleliciousness here. Ah. And I tried to mix it up with my purchase. I wanted some like creams and some shimmers and some, you know, just different colors and all that. So we tried to mix it up. And because I'm really bad about when I go shopping at places like Zoya, I kind of am in a pink mood or a blue mood or something. And like most of the polishes are like just 2 or 3 shades off of each other. So here is Haven. Stunner. Golly. Alright, this one could totally be a topper too. And I don't really pay attention when I'm buying them. I'm just looking at like the swatches and I'm like, yep, I like that one. So I'm not paying attention because on Zoya's website they do tell you, you know, like to full opacity, how many coats and all that. I don't really pay attention to that. I just, you know, want what I want. And here we go. We are going to do 3 coats on this one here as well. It's like purpley blue with some pink and just unreal. Marlowe. Oh, wow. Alright, now for the pink one. You guys know. And it's pink with gold shimmer. I am just a sucker for these polishes. I'm telling you, I probably have a bunch of these in my collection. But now I have one from Zoya. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like fairy princess pink, you know, with the gold in it. Just magical. Yes, indeed. Matilda. All right. What do we got next? Oh. Oh, this cranberry purpley looking. Ugh. Blackberry. I don't know. It's just breathtaking. Dig it, dig it. So, if you want in on deals like this, these little pop-up sales that they have and deals like this, just, subscribe to their little newsletter and let them blow your email up, and you'll get stuff like this. Mentora. I love that one so much. And then the gold. You guys, no telling how many of this kind of polish I own as well, but I needed it again in Zoya's formula. So nice. Smooth formula. I ain't having no trouble. And this one, after it dried, I didn't see brush strokes or nothing. I really like it. I really like it. Moki. Kind of got some bronziness to it. Ugh. And then Oh No. This one's Oh No, I believe. Just a beautiful purple. Pink. Get your colors right, Tina. Colors. Come on. So, a good cream. I really do think Zoya makes some of the best creams. As far as mainstream, easier to get than, some brands, I don't find them in my stores here locally, so stuff like this makes me happy. Get some Oh No going on. Alright, and here we go with the last one. And this one, to me, is a showstopper. I really want to see it over a dark color or over other colors. Because, I bet it's just like one coat of this over something. Oh my goodness. This rascal, I'm telling you, it was like Easter in a bottle or something. Easter fireworks. I don't know. I just fell head over heels with this one. I'm going to do 3 coats of it also. And you can't see it right now. Hopefully the swatch photo will do it. It will help y'all see what I see in it. Oh, Polaris, give me a break. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, so there is my Zoya haul and swatch. Cannot tell you how happy I am that that's $25 right there. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.